Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Girl with Goals, and this episode is much anticipated because this is about a digital award function and I am very excited to be part of this. So this award function is arranged by Box Resort and I'm just gonna connect in about an hour, and I don't know if I'm gonna win an award or not, but I'm really excited for the process because this is like something for the first time and I had an amazing time creating, all different content around the DIY kits which they sent me. So stay tuned till the end of the video and I hope I win something. So we have started with the ceremony here and we have like everyone joining in and it's just getting started. I think the product was really great. That's why, we got a lot of creative ideas to work around it. And I am the most worst person to be a baker or a cook because मेरा हमेशा measurement wrong होता है. But the fact that it was measured, the quality of ingredients was so good. And even if it got burnt a little, I put it up anyways because it was tasting so good. So and I am really thankful to my followers for this, so thank you so much. Reels are like my favorite nowadays, so thank you. Yeah, I would just like to say that the nominations are amazing in all the categories. Everyone has put their heart and soul into it, and we can really see that through the content. And I think at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter, that who wins because we all have created it together. And everyone, like, even if the dishes kafi common the, like, many of us chose the cheesecake, many of us chose the spaghetti as well, but everyone had a different vision to create content. I think that is what we are celebrating today. So amazing. So guys, we won 2 awards, one in photography category and another in viral creator category. I was really hoping to win in the viral creator category, and the photography award was a total surprise. So I am really thankful to each and everyone who shared the video, liked the picture, and increased the overall engagement. Thank you so much. And now I'm really waiting for the hamper and I am going to unbox it in front of you guys. So these are technically my first awards and I'm really excited for this. So stay tuned till the end of the vlog. So guys, our award hampers are here, and as I won for 2 categories, they have sent me 2 hampers. So one is for the viral creator category, as you guys know, and this is for photography. So the hamper looks really cute, so I am just about to open this. Wow, this looks really good. So this has won my heart already. This is from Sula. Then we have something from Body Bath as well. Then we have Case Kitchen, which is a local brand from Pune. Then we have some hand wipes, which is a great and thoughtful thing to include in the hamper. Then we have a lot of these, like these are all hand sanitizers. Then we have a coupon from Organic India, and I would love to shop from there. Then we have a gift voucher from Ajmal. It has great range of perfumes. Then also this is Ubuntu Salon, which is again a brand from Pune. And we have Envy, which is 500 rupees to 500 rupees spa and salon coupons. So these are all the things which were there in the hamper, and I am really excited to experience each of these. This experience was really great, and thank you so much for everyone who voted for me. And I'm ending this vlog here, and I hope we cross many such milestones all together. And last but not the least, keep supporting. Whenever you share any of my work, it means a lot to me, because we are reaching to more people and growing the community even more. So thank you so much for everyone who was part of this, who are watching this vlog, and who keep supporting me no matter what. Thank you so much, and until next time, stay tuned to Girl with Goals. Thanks to everyone who viewed the picture. Sorry.